Nyotrep Indigenous Women's Society offers placement assistance to courses in healthcare that include nursing, MBBS, and BSc in Allied Health Sciences, Technology, and many others. For details, contact 97749 90534 and 98561 72263. The Congress Party held a press conference on the 2nd of November 2021 to brief the media on the party's status after having lost in all the 3 assembly seats in the by-elections of the state. MPCC Working President AMPAREEN LYNGDOH, while speaking to media persons, expressed her gratitude to all supporters who had stood by the Congress Party at all times, even when money tried to play its tricks on them. Some of the factors that led to the party's loss in the by-elections were the undeniable rumblings within the party and the deserting of MDCs to join other parties right after the announcement of the by-election dates in the state, informed AMPAREEN LYNGDOH. However, she reiterated the fact that the Congress Party will be doing all it can to strengthen its stand and also to strategize on goals and objectives in order to secure victory in the state elections of 2023. On the Congress Party's preparations for the forthcoming 2023 elections, Dr. AMPAREEN LYNGDOH quoted a top leader in saying that everything will not be revealed but will be kept close to the chest.
I'm not now going to deny that infighting is one of the main reasons for this debacle. But you must not also forget that over and above an internal issue of instability within our own party comes the big role that money is playing in Meghalaya politics. But we thank those Congress men and women, citizens of East Khasi Hills, citizens of Rajabala, who showed their trust and faith on the Congress Party by not moving despite the many temptations.
The sitting MDC of Maukhar Panthor Ungkra constituency and also Congress member Panchngany NCM thanked supporters and all party candidates to the by-elections. He agreed to the fact that the party had lost the by-elections in all the 3 constituencies, but confidently stated that considering the party's vote bank, the Congress will win the state elections in 2023.
Kani by-election. Nafai pisu about by-election. The whole government are with these 3 candidates. But upon the Sorkar, probably the line candidates and type of how much money they are pumping for the 3 candidates. Nalor ba kilami MDC Congress banila persya official candidate juga Congress. Nalor ba pump huge amount of money. Still we lost only by 1900 by 1800. Langsung kami bagi rem. Gira maka by election during win job haka normal election.
Congress MDC from Mauhati constituency, Charles Marngar, while expressing his gratitude to the media for its unbiased coverage during the entire by-election scenario, also stated that the Congress Party did not buy anyone and therefore losing the by-elections was only by a thin margin. He added that this loss is but a challenge to strengthen the Congress Party in the state.
But going about so comment Nagaland to the Sen Congress Club in Thuipi, Ni Club Tid in a pisa. The still need a yogurt. By back in eating Yangi Sen Congress. The you Iba Yaman Kumala Kremanish man, by election he, but get general election gave her. In a Glen Jongi, Bakado, Mono Kremukti, the Jingram Jongi by election. Come day getting put over Sim Jongi, Kadegi challenging. Kadegi challenging, Managalian Jongi in a Panclani party, a party organization, Managlomi Gibrigusing in a Panclan, Dagamandaga, general election apply.
AMPAREEN LYNGDOH later informed the media that on the MPCC chief Vincent Pala's return to Shillong from duty, the Congress Party is likely to have a sitting with all district representatives to further discuss on preparations for the 2023 assembly elections in the state.
Away on duty, the moment he returns back, we will, as a party, sit with all districts. We will sit district-wise. We will try to look at probable candidates in as early a date as possible. We are looking at the entrance of many other political parties in Meghalaya politics in 2023. We have already seen TMCs preparing. There's a new party that AMPAREEN has also brought forward. So 23 is not going to go easily, the NPP nor the UDP, you know. So they're going to have a tough election, and it's not over yet. 23 is, you know, the by-elections of 21 is just the beginning of politics in Meghalaya.